Find the numbers. Here is a triangle and we have to fill the diagram. And once we fill, each side summation will be 100. This side, every side, it will be 100. And we have some option like 50, 59, 26, 24 and 15. By these numbers we will fill the blank box. Now here is 35 has given. So suppose if we take here 50, so it will become 50 plus 35, it means 85, and we need 15. So this is become 100. So 50 and 15 gone. So we put this one. If we take here is 59, so what happened in here? 15 plus 59, it will be what? 74. So we need 26. Here is 26. This is 26. And automatically this is 100. Here is a 50. Here is a 26. So here just need 24 and done. So all the side summation become 100. So this is very important math for any kinds of competitive examination of grade 8 to 10. So please subscribe my channel Quantify. From now I am trying to solve these kinds of tricky math. So please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.